Logan.
Paul
loves sucking dick,
and he lost against
Psy because of sneezing.
Three hours later.
Can you move it?
I've taken true L's. L's that have affected my life and will affect my life for the rest of my life. This doesn't feel like life.
Do you feel like you won the fight?
I mean, let's just do some simple math here.
I have a 2 plus 2 is 4. I have a 4. I have -1. 4 minus 1, that's 3. 2 plus 2. 4 minus 1. 2 plus 2 is 4. -1, that's 3. Quick maths. You don't know.
That was the worst performance that I've had in the past 2 months. I'm sick. I woke up sick. I've been sick for the past 3 days. The first thing I did this morning was sneeze 3 times.
Maths.
And I had to talk with my brother backstage, and it got a little emotional. Like, there's something in me that sneeze, taking it from 99 to 100.
Maths.
I'll talk in front of the media and do press conferences all day and say, like, I want to hurt JJ, but let's be honest, like, I hope JJ will sneeze. I'm just not. I don't know if I'm that animal. I don't sneeze. If I were JJ, I would not take the 3rd fight. He got that sneeze. If there's a fight that's right, if one of the 7 celebrities wants to sneeze, but we'll see. There's a reason. There is a. I were JJ.